I'm Steve from Mike's Engines. We're an engine machine shop. Predominantly do engine machining, rebuilding work, etc. We do all sorts of other vehicle related stuff as well, but predominantly engine building. Location was a good spot and the opportunity arose to be able to build a custom building that worked for us and sort of manage the workflow a lot better and be able to grow into it. One of the important things was getting a design that worked for us to manage our workflow in and out the door. Road frontage, a showroom space, clean room for the engine building, etc. One of the reasons we chose Coresteel was the ability to make everything work for us. The workflow, etc., making the shop work in the space that we had, and they really just made it happen, effectively. Happy as. One of the other great things Coresteel were able to do is the tilt slab panel. Gives the workshop a good clean look, nice and smooth and tidy. What we really liked was the increased space, being able to increase the work, being able to take another staff member on. Things are just going really well.